How to fix Canon printer offline issue. 3 quick solutions. Intro. Is your Canon printer showing as offline and not printing? Don't worry. In this video, I'll guide you through 3 quick and easy solutions to fix this issue and get your printer back online in no time. Let's jump right into it. 3 quick solutions. 1. Restart the print spooler service. 2. Disable use printer offline mode. 3. Power cycle the printer. Method 1. Restart the print spooler program. Trick 1. Use run command. Step 1. Press the Windows logo key and the S key together. Step 2. The Windows search bar will appear. Step 3. Type run in the search box. Step 4. Select the run app from the list. Step 5. In the box, type services.msc. Step 6. Click OK to open the services window. Step 7. Find the print spooler service from the list. Step 8. Right-click on it. Step 9. Select Restart to refresh the service. Trick 2. Access services via search. Step 1. Click on the Start icon and open the search box. Step 2. Type Services. Step 3. Select the Services desktop app from the results. Step 4. Right-click the Print Spooler option. Step 5. Click on Restart. Step 6. If Restart is grayed out, click Start instead. Step 7. Right-click Print Spooler again. Step 8. Select Properties. Step 9. Change the startup type to Automatic. Step 10. Click OK to save the changes. Step 11. Restart your computer and try printing again. Method 2. Disable use printer offline. Step 1. Click the Windows icon. Step 2. Go to the search box. Step 3. Type Control Panel. Step 4. Select Control Panel from the search results. Step 5. Click on Hardware and Sound. Step 6. Choose Devices and Printers. Step 7. Right-click on your printer and select See What's Printing. Step 8. In the Printer menu, uncheck Use Printer Offline. Step 9. Go back to the Printer tab and choose Cancel All Documents. Step 10. Send your print job again. Method 3. Power cycle the printer. Step 1. Turn off the printer using its power button. Step 2. Unplug the printer's power cord from the back. Step 3. Wait for about 30 seconds. Step 4. Plug the cord back in and turn the printer on. Step 5. Once powered on, try printing or scanning again. For more troubleshooting tips and support, Printer Fix Support, give us a call. Telephone receiver +1 877 595 9194 USA. Telephone receiver +44 736 159 5441 UK.